As a part of an HVAC system, furnaces will typically last 15 to 20 years. Let's go through some steps you can take to get the most life out of your furnace. Hi, I'm Brad from Fire and Ice. As a residential sales professional, I have helped hundreds of Central Ohio homeowners get the most out of their HVAC system. At Fire and Ice, we believe in giving our customers as much information as they need. In this video, we're going to discuss 9 ways you can prolong the life of your furnace. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. One of the most important things you can do is yearly furnace maintenance. It is required to maintain your warranty, and it is going to prolong the life of your furnace. We want to keep everything working well, the electrical connections tight, and the burners and blower wheel clean. Maintenance can fix small problems before they become big ones. We recommend servicing your system twice a year, once for the summer months as well as once for the winter months. Make sure your registers are open. Closing too many can result in reduced airflow to the house and buildup of static pressure, which makes the furnace work harder. This can lead to inefficiencies in your furnace, cold spots, and possible system failure. Ensure your furnace can breathe properly by not stacking things around the furnace or air returns. Putting a lot of stuff on the ductwork, especially if you have flexible ductwork or duct board, can cause the ducts to separate. A lot of people turn down the heat at night or when they're away at work. A moderate temperature adjustment is okay, but when the heat is turned way down, the furnace will struggle to bring the heat back up. Operating your furnace at a consistent temperature can reduce strain on your HVAC system. Typical air duct systems lose 25 to 40% of the heating or cooling energy put out by your HVAC system through leaks. Leaks make your furnace work harder, decreasing its life expectancy. It also increases your utility bill. If you find any leaks in your HVAC ductwork, we recommend you call a professional to have them repaired. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like this video and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you might have. And did you know we even have more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Using a programmable thermostat can help keep your heating and cooling schedule consistent, efficient, help you save money, and reduce wear and tear on your system. It can also remind you when it's time to change your filter and schedule routine maintenance. A clean filter is going to give you a better airflow, and the better the airflow, the better your furnace is going to function, resulting in less strain on the motor and reduced static pressure. If they've never been cleaned since the home was built, it's not uncommon at all to find construction debris in your ductwork. If you get a good duct cleaning and use a clean filter, the evaporator coil, the heat exchanger, and the blower motor should stay clean, helping to extend the life of your furnace. And finally, you can always give your furnace a break by taking common sense steps to make your house more airtight. Weather stripping keeps the cold out, and adding attic insulation makes the most of the warmth by keeping it inside where it belongs. I hope by now you have a better understanding of how you can extend the lifespan of your furnace. If you'd like more information on HVAC systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like, hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.